Hey guys, welcome back to TheStruggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals on Amazon to share with you. The first half of the video, we have a bunch of promo code and coupon style deals. The back half, we have some more of a traditional tool brand, especially a bunch of DeWALT deals. The DeWALT Black Friday deals on Amazon have already started, so we're going to talk about that and some future DeWALT deals coming up. Stay tuned on the back half for those. The first one, and by the way, everything's going to be linked in the description down below. First deal to share with you is the chainsaw, cordless 20-volt 10-inch, getting a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger with this. It's by Senix, and it is 50% off. We saw this once before, but the promo code expired, and it's such a great value that I just wanted to show it to you guys again. So the 10-inch comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's a little on the small side. I wish for a chainsaw they would pair it with a larger battery, but it's really hard to complain when you see the price. It starts out at $70.99, but that 50% promo code right here. Not sure when it expires, but I just posted it a few minutes ago, and it is working right now. 50% off makes it about $35 for the entire kit. It does work on multiple quantities if you wanted to buy more than one. It's kind of the medium, middle-of-the-road size as far as the 10-incher on a cordless chainsaw. Again, I wish the battery was a little bit bigger, but I still like that value. $35, boy, that's really good. A little bit bigger than the pruning one-hand saws that we see, cutting up the firewood, getting ready for winter. Next up, we got a 4K dash cam, front and rear, 64 gigabyte SD card, 1.5 inch display screen, Wi-Fi, app controlled, night vision, parking mode, 170 degree wide angle, all the things. It's a dual camera. This is by Cievie. It is 30% off, but we're combining the 30% with a Black Friday deal. So this one, there's a little bit of context we got to go into here. There's a Black Friday price of $47.49, and then we have a 30% promo code that goes through the 30th, or is supposed to, and that's this promo code right here. It does work for multiple quantities if you want more than one. Now, here's the thing. When you open the Amazon page, there are two listings available. One is this price here. The other one is $79.99. They're both also by the same seller. So if you pull it up and you see the $79.99 price on the Amazon page, look in the right sidebar of that page for the other available sellers and look for a listing that says $47.49 and then add that one to your cart and then add the promo code, and you will take $47.49 and then take an additional 30% off. So you're going to be in the $30-something range there. Now, here's the other part of this deal. This company sent me this exact camera for free to do a video on. They sent me this promo code because I was planning on posting the video here in the next couple of days. But then I saw the Black Friday price, and I saw the promo code worked with the Black Friday price, and I thought, oh, shit. I don't have the video done yet, but I'm not sure the promo code and the Black Friday price are going to overlap for very long. So I decided, you know what, we got to get it posted. So it is 4K forward facing. The rear camera is 1080. It comes with the 64 gigabyte SD card. This guy rotates here so you can adjust the angle. Same thing with the rear facing camera there. It does connect to their app where you can do live viewing and all the stuff. You can control the camera and everything. So far, I really like it. I haven't finished my video. First impressions are good. Definitely worth $30-something. So I'm kind of stepping on the toes of the video, but I want to make sure you guys get the best deal, and I don't want either the Black Friday price or the promo code price to disappear, and then it's not available. So there it is. Next up, we have the OBD2 scanner. It's an elite one because it says it right in the brand name. 2025, they're going to have to change that next year, even though they won't change the model. Lifetime free update. It does all the things. You can read them. It does all the things. This is by launch. They have a bunch of different OBD2 scanners, and I would imagine there's going to be different ones on Black Friday. So if there's a very specific function you want, like bi-directional, keep an eye out. But still, we're getting a fully functioning guy here. Lots of features. The Black Friday price brings it down to $133.94. Oh, you son of a bitch. Don't you hate when people call back to back? Don't you just want to slap the shit out of them? Save 22% through December 2nd. Got this promo code right here. Multiple quantities can be purchased. $133.94, 22% off. Takes what, $30 off? You're gonna be close to $100 on that guy. Caster wheels. Plate swivel caster set of 4, 1,200 pound, 3-inch heavy duty caster wheels with wheel lock by Wiselifetech. 40% off. You can never have too many casters. I also like the polyurethane. Nice rollers. Add it to your workbench. Make it mobile. 25-30. Make yourself your own little dolly out of some 2x4s. Move stuff around. Put that transmission down on it. Make it slide around the floor nice and easy. 40% off going through December 1st. 25-30. Almost cuts that price in half. $15 or so. 4-pack solar lights, outdoor waterproof, 2025 upgrade, 3-level ultra bright spotlights, landscape lights by Kaxiida. They're 33% off, taking 1/3. Love these little lights. They're always more expensive than the other lights. Haven't figured that one out yet. But don't gotta worry about running the wire or nothing. You can light up your flag with these, although it might be up too high in the air. You could probably finagle a way to attach this to a pole, though. $23.99 is the Black Friday price, and we're taking 33% off with this promo code here. If you need more than 4, it does work for multiple quantities. $24, 33% off. That is 1/3. That is about $8 off. It makes it like $16 for a 4-pack. That is $4 each. Very nice price per unit price on the landscape lights. Got a bird feeder with camera, 2K HD color night view AI bird identification auto capture. This is by Solareye. It is 30% off. The price of these has just gone insanely low. You know what? This would also be a cool security camera because people would think, oh, it's just a bird feeder. I'm recording your ass right now. It is motion censored. The top opens up there. You can fill it up with your bird feed, and then they just sit right there, and the camera's on them, and boom. You can live view, you can get little notifications. Maybe you're at work and you want to watch your birds. So I have this exact one because they sent it to me, about a year ago. But look at this. It's the Black Friday price is $39.99, and then we have a 30% promo code. So what is that? About another $13 off. Really amazing price. Going through the first there. And if you want to watch the video of me, look at that guy. Look at the little Blue Jay guy. And just sitting there, just hanging out. But if you click this thing here, it'll bring you to YouTube, and you can watch the video if you want to watch. I really like it. Got it in my little bird pit. That's what I call my little bird. Probably bird sanctuary would sound better. But you know, when you work from home and you're sitting at a computer all day long, sometimes it's nice just to be able to look out the window and check out the birds. Because I'm an old man like that. Bosch. 14-piece. Fast spiral rotary masonry carbide tip bit set assortment. 14-piece set. Black Friday price only $9.29. We'll look at some of the comparables there. Acme Tools is $19. Lowe's is out of stock, but they were asking $24, and Northern Tool is $28. So about half price, really a third of the price of Northern Tool. You got some drilling to do. That's a good one there. Torin, professional 14-inch universal heavy-duty 4-way cross lug wrench. How much would you pay for that guy? Quick, how much would you pay? How much would you pay? $20. You'd pay $15. I could at least give you a sale price of $10 and you'd like it. It's $5.43. The scrap weight's worth more than that. $5.43. I don't know if it's actually worth more than that. So no coupon or promo code or anything, just an amazing sale price. Now this was a lightning deal style, so it will sell out at some point, either the quantity or it'll hit the time limit. So that one's going to be one you want to kind of jump on quick if you're interested. But you know, it also works as like a good self-defense mechanism. If you whack someone with that, they're going to be having a bad day. Vacmaster 5-gallon, 3-peak horsepower wet dry shop vac. This is a 5-gallon blue. It's only going to be $30.05. We've had a couple of really good shop vac deals. If you remember, a couple of days ago we talked about the Heart, which was like $29.97, essentially the same price. And that was over at Walmart. Now, I couldn't find many comparables of this exact model, but there's something called Outdoor Supply Hardware. And they have it for $75. Walmart had a listing, but it was super goofy. It was sold out. There wasn't even any pictures or anything, but it did have the model number, so I didn't even include that because that seems weird. Not legitimate. But $30, get yourself a shop vac. Sunex Tools got the metric V grooves, combination wrench set, 20 to 24 millimeter, fully polished 5-piece set. Comes with the rolled up pouch. These are the big boys, 20 to 24. Double as a little cheater bar. Throw it on the end there. Your ratchet. Get some extra leverage for the big push. Black Friday price is only $28.50. Northern Tool is $42. Tools ID is $43.54. So nice little discount on the biggies. Now I want to show you these early Black Friday DeWALT deals. Now all of these are currently available. I have them all on a single page for these deals anyways. We do have some other DeWALT deals. If you go up to the top of the search bar here and type in DeWALT, you'll see all the latest posts on the website. And I have a lot of the Black Friday posts here, but not all of them. There were some that I made individual posts because I really liked them. You got the dual bevel, double sliding miter saw, 12-inch compound, $4.99. Black Friday price says normally $6.69. And then we got the portable table saw here, the job site one. This is the one that when I upgrade my table saw, I'm going to be using. I actually have a good project that's going to be in a video for the table saw. I already got it all planned out. You guys are going to be seeing my skill table saw in use in a video shortly, probably in the next week. $3.49 for this one, which is, boy, give me that and give me a rolly stand, a little folding rolling one. Oh man, hog heaven right there. Got the 2 impact wrench deal, the half, the 3/8, the fast charger, this DCB 118, and the 5 amp hour battery, all for $2.99. Little mechanic set, 108 piece, 1/4 and 3/8 drive. Going to be $61.45. Getting 2 ratchets in that one, a bunch of sockets, the chromies, shorties, and deep wells. Get some hex keys and a little bit of filler, but not too bad on the filler. But you do get a little filler. You get the portable power jump station guy. It's $109.55. Now, not my favorite, but it's on sale and it's a discounted price. Maybe some people are real big fans of it. I like the little jump starters that we post for the Amazon promo codes better. Got this right angle drill attachment guy, the 4-in-1 12-inch compact, straight, flexible, 90-degree drill adapter. It's going to be $29.97, getting both pieces there. Keep it short, take it long, get the little auxiliary handle guy, right angle. Now this one we talked about before, and it was in its own post, but it's a really good deal. If you're into the T-stack stuff, or even if you're not, if you just want a 2-drawer, this one actually has slides. A lot of these little toolboxes, it's just like plastic on plastic, and no one wants that. So, $26.47 for your T-stack, your DeWALT. Got a stud finder. 3/4 inch, locate frame and studs efficiently with LED arrows. Only going to be $11.73 on the stud finder. And we have the general purpose assortment 3-pack of the oscillating blades. Going to be $22.49 on that. So here's the thing with the DeWALT Black Friday deals. They're going to have on actual Black Friday and leading up to Black Friday more deals. There's going to be more DeWALT stuff. But these are the things that I found that have already reached a discounted price and have the special Black Friday signage on them on Amazon. So I'll be updating this page as more deals come about. I'll probably add any new additions to the top so you can just see, hey, if this saw's on the top, I haven't added anything else. If you see something else, it's new stuff. So everything's going to be linked down below. I got to get outside. It's like 20-something degrees out, and I got to spend the day outside working. So yay me! Yay! I mean, at least it's not totally freezing, although it is kind of like wet out too, which is even better. Even better. It's freezing and it's wet. Yes! I can't wait. I'm totally not procrastinating by doing a video today. Alright, well, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't get hypothermia or whatever you get when it's super ass cold and wet out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe if you're a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.